Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to 11th standard basic automobile engineering HD video. Today video we are discussed for the two topic, very important topic. First topic, two-stroke petrol engine. Second topic, two-stroke diesel engine. We already discussed for the previous videos, four-stroke petrol engine and four-stroke diesel engine. It is similar for the two-stroke and petrol engine, two-stroke diesel engine. Only differ for the stroke. Okay, student. First going to the two-stroke petrol engine. The engine will be running on petrol, so it is called a petrol engine. The power stroke should be attained for the every two-stroke. It is called a two-stroke petrol engine. The previous four-stroke petrol engine, the power should be attained for the every four-stroke, so called a four-stroke petrol engine. But two-stroke petrol engine, the power should be attained for the every two-stroke, so it is called a two-stroke petrol engine. Then go to the construction of petrol engine. So the petrol air fuel mixture is similar for the petrol four-stroke petrol engine. The air fuel mixture ratio is 10:1. It is below for the diesel engine. Then go to the construction of petrol engine, two-stroke petrol engine. The construction of petrol engine to consider for the it will be converted for the reciprocating motion of the piston is converted for the rotary motion of the crankshaft with help of the connecting rod. We repeat again, in petrol engine, reciprocating motion of the piston is converted for the rotary motion of the crankshaft with help of the connecting rod. So the connecting rod is used to do connected for the piston and crankshaft. The connecting rod considered for the two end, one end, big end, and another end is small end. The small end to connector for the piston, big end to connector for the crankshaft. So the main thing of the connecting rod is connected for the piston to crankshaft. So then go to the port. So the top of the two-stroke petrol engine to consider for the three port. First one inlet port, second one exhaust port, last one transfer port. But four-stroke petrol engine to convert for the valves arrangement. Okay, student, the inlet port to use it for the enter for the air fuel mixture for the inside of the cylinder. Exhaust port is used to the exit for the exhaust gas outside of the cylinder. The transfer port is used to the transfer for the compressed charge for the crankcase to cylinder. Okay, student, we repeat again. Inlet port is used to the enter for the air fuel mixture inside of the cylinder. Exhaust port to use to the band exhaust gas exit for the outside of the cylinder. Transfer port is used to the transfer for the compressed charge for the air fuel mixture crankcase to cylinder. Okay, student, spark plug is placed for the top of the cylinder block. So spark plug is used to the igniter and band air fuel mixture. Okay, student, then go to the working principle of two-stroke petrol engine. So the two-stroke petrol engine to consider for the two-stroke only. First one is upward stroke, another one is compression stroke. So the two-stroke, the power will be attained. But four-stroke petrol engine, the power should be attained for the every fourth stroke. Two-stroke petrol engine, the power should be attained for the every two-stroke. First one going to the upward stroke, second one is downward stroke. First going to upward stroke. In upward stroke, during the upward stroke, the piston will be moved bottom dead center to top dead center. So the air fuel mixture to enter the inside of the cylinder and also compressed for the piston movement of the upward stroke. We repeat again, during the upward stroke, the air fuel mixture entered with help of the inlet port and compressed volume of the air fuel mixture with help of the upward stroke of the piston. So the piston will be moved BDC to TDC, bottom dead center to top dead center, should be compressed volume of the air fuel mixture. Okay, student, then go to the downward stroke. During the downward stroke, the piston will be moved for the return stroke. It is a top dead center to bottom side center. So the chargeable air mixture to transfer for the crankcase to top cylinder with help of the transfer port. So the inlet port is used to the enter for the air fuel mixture. The transfer port is used to the transfer for the chargeable air fuel mixture for the cylinder. So the spark will be ignited for the air fuel mixture to be burned and produce the heat energy. And also the rotary motion, the reciprocating motion of the piston is convected for the rotary motion of crankshaft with the help of the connecting rod. Okay student, we repeat again. During the downward stroke, the piston will be moved return stroke. Piston will be moved for the top dead center to bottom side center. So the chargeable air fuel mixture to be transferred for the crankcase to cylinder with the help of the transfer port. So it will be used for the air fuel mixture will be burned with the help of the spark plug to be ignited. The spark plug air fuel mixture to burn completely. So to produce the heat energy, and also to converter for the rotary reciprocating motion of the piston and the rotary motion of the crankshaft. Okay student, then go to the 2-stroke diesel engine. It is similar for the 4-stroke diesel engine. So diesel engine running on the fuel of diesel, it is called a diesel engine. The power should be attained for the every 2-stroke, so called a 2-stroke diesel engine. Then go to the construction of diesel engine. In diesel engine, the reciprocating motion of the piston is converted for the rotary motion of crankshaft with the help of the connecting rod. Connecting rod is used to connect the piston and the crankshaft. So the big end of the connecting rod to connected for the crankshaft, small end of the connecting rod is connected for the piston. So the main purpose of connecting rod is used to connect the piston and the crankshaft. Then go to the port in 2-stroke diesel engine to consider for the inlet port, exhaust port and transfer port. Inlet port is used to enter the air. We clearly understand the 2-stroke petrol engine, the air fuel mixer enter for the inlet port, but diesel engine, the air will be enter for the inlet port. Exhaust port and the band air exhaust gas should be outer for the exhaust port. Transfer port, the transfer port should be used for the chargeable air should be transferred for the crankshaft to cylinder. Last one here, injector. The injector to place on the top of the diesel engine. Petrol engine, the spark plugs are used, but diesel engine injector are used. Diesel injector should be used for the injector for the diesel in vaporizer form. Then go to the working principle of diesel engine, 2-stroke diesel engine. It considered for the 2-stroke. So the power should be attained for the every 2-stroke. First to upward stroke. It is similar for the 2-stroke petrol engine, but the main drawback during the upward stroke, the piston will be moved bottom dead center to top dead center. So the air only entered for the inlet port. The air will be entered for the cylinder with the help of the inlet port. Okay student. But 2-stroke petrol engine, the air fuel mixer enter, but diesel engine air will be entered for the upward stroke and will be compressed for the volume of the air with the help of the upward stroke. Then go to the downward stroke. During the downward stroke, the piston will be moved downward. So the compressed air will be transferred for the crankcase to cylinder with the help of the transfer port. So the diesel injector inject the diesel for vaporizer form. So the air will be compressed to attain for the high pressure and high temperature, high pressure air and high pressure temperature to mix it with vaporized form diesel to automatically ignited to burn the diesel and produce the heat energy. And also the reciprocating motion of the piston is converted for the rotary motion of the crankshaft with the help of the connecting rod. Okay student, today video we are discussed two topic: 2-stroke petrol engine, 2-stroke petrol engine, 2-stroke diesel engine. I hope you clearly understood for this video. Read the textbook, answer this following question. It is an important 5-mark question. Explain construction working of the 2-stroke petrol engine. Second question, explain construction working principle of 2-stroke diesel engine. It is very important 5-mark question. Thank you very much student. We meet again in next automobile video.